Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Vuyokazi's husband, let me just repeat that again. Vuyokazi's husband posts the status on his Instagram stories, and it basically reads something like a man settles where there's peace, not where there's beauty, and all of those things, but he's a man settles where there's peace. And I guess maybe this kind of answers why, or answers like the questions that some people have been asking of why, they got married so quick, or why did he choose to marry her so quick. I mean, he's got baby mamas, he's got like all of the ndabas, guys, and the stuff that have been coming out the past couple of weeks or months regarding their relationship and regarding his relationships outside of Vuyokazi. But he's basically shutting everyone's mouth and saying, listen, I found peace in this woman. And all a man wants, all a man wants is peace. And wherever he's willing to find peace, he's willing to settle. Now I have a question, because South African guys these days, the way they don't want to marry, the way they want to marry us, you guys, like, is it that we are not peaceful, or what is it? What is it? Because you're telling me majority of us don't have peace, that's why they're not marrying us as you guys. But anyway, I'm glad that he found peace in Vuyokazi, and it looks like above them, having the love that they share for one another, they're gonna have to fight off the naysayers, because a lot of people really are, they watching their relationship with eyes open to basically see ukuthi izophelelaphi lento yabo, ukuthi how far it's gonna go. I've shared this before, that you know what, once it leads to marriage, you guys, I am a believer in marriage, and once people are married, as long as the environment is healthy and they are happy and they're willing to make things work, let them flourish, man. Anyway, tell me what you guys think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.